Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create a spike in Jira. So let's get started. First, go to your Jira project and open the issue type section. From the top of your screen, you will see the three dots. Click on this and then select project settings. Now on the left hand side, you will see the work types option. Just drop down the menu and click on add a work type. Now here you have to write the name and here about the description. For example, I am writing a research task to explore design. Now once you're done with description, you will see the change icon button. Click on this and choose the icon. Now click on select and then click on create. This will create your spike as you can see here. Now here you have to add summary and descriptions. So by click on the description menu, here you are able to enter your description. And that's it. Your spike is ready. This help your team to stay aligned. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.